Hello and welcome, wonderful friends. This is Mihai here with the first episode of Letting Down the Veil, where we actually start, let's say, switching the paradigm to the new age shit. This world needs a change. I think this world is so fed up with just everything mass media and everybody else is talking about, and they want to actually find the truth. They want to actually look within for the answers and live their own style of life, their own lifestyle, with their own rules. So of course they have their own principles, and I think this is enough. We actually don't need rules, regulations, laws and stuff like that. So this is why I think this veil is going to be taken down little by little with us here, sharing our thoughts, sharing our experiences, sharing our truth. So this is why I'm starting this new series that's called Letting Down the Veil, where actually we can talk about everything that's just too much for the mass media, for all the measurable science stuff. So this is why in this episode we are talking about the power within, and because actually we all have this kind of power that is just so reachable to us, and we don't take advantage of it because we are busy basically living someone else's life, right? So this is why unlocking, unleashing the power within, as somebody who's very very great in personal development says, Tony Robbins, is so important for us, and actually is not so complicated as everyone makes us feel like. Let's see how to uncover, how to release, how to unblock, how to unlock this power within. So let's see how we actually do that. How do we unlock this power within ourselves and start manifesting the actual life that we truly want for ourselves? Well, for this we actually have to know some basic principles of consciousness and the actual metaphysical laws, the actual facts, the actual happenings that are here for us to explore. So for this we have to know who we really are. Do you know who you are? Are you your body? If your mind is transferred to another body, is that still you? If your mind is actually put into a computer, is that still you? If your belief system is actually changed in your body, is that still you? Which one are you? So these are fundamental questions to ask ourselves in order to find the real answers that we need in order to co-create, in order to manifest, in order to actually love ourselves just as we are, because we are perfect, we are unique, we are exactly how we should be. We just need to love ourselves more. The self is actually a multidimensional thing. So, there is this physical body, there is this mind of ours, and of course there is the spirit. Well, this is when it really becomes interesting, because the spirit affects the mind, and of course the mind affects the body. But it's very important to know that this spirit is not so simple to understand in these scientific terms of today's technologies science, right? So we have to know the three key components of the self, of our self, multidimensional self. So we are in this 3D physical construct, the egoistical self. Then after this physical self, let's say, we have the soul that is connected to the higher self. So that's why the first episode is about understanding more why we should basically know these things in order to connect with the higher self, so we can actually act from that place where everything is just aligning very, very good. How many times did you actually happen to have these synchronicities that lead you on the path that you should have been? That's because you are on the path of the higher self. That's why it's important to connect with this higher self in order to make a better life for ourselves here in the lesser self, let's say. So this is why what I wanted to share with you today. The next episode is going to be more in-depth in regards to these three components. So if you have any question, please leave it in the comments, and of course tell me what you liked about this video, what you resonated with. Of course you can tell me what you disliked, so you can leave it in the comments. We can have a discussion about that particular topic. Just leave it in the comments, let's talk, let's have some fun chatting, let's get this perspective, this new perspective here. Thank you for watching. My name is Mihai, and I will see you very soon with the next part of this video.